It's the Dr. Medicine Show. And now your wonderful host, Dr. Medicine.
Hello, everybody. Yes, wonderful. Oh, yes. Thank you. Oh, wonderful to see you all non-geniuses. Hello, everybody. This is Dr. Medicine, the Paradise Specialist. And how is everyone in the studio audience? Oh, good. Now, I know that today we are going to talk about sex and paradise. And I know I promised a slideshow. However, the producers of the show have raised some concerns in this regard, so instead I am going to talk about astrophysics. What? Now, as you know, when the light from the stars reaches the Earth, there's actually millions.
I want sex. I came here for sex. I want sex. I don't even know what that is.
Astrophysics? What's astrophysics got to do with it?
I paid for sex.
I paid all of the money for astrophysics?
And so that is how the falling stars and jelly donuts are very, very similar. Any questions? Yes, you.
Is masturbation a sin?
I really don't see what that has to do with stellar. Yes, you.
What is a nymphomaniac like?
People, please! The subject today is astrophysics. Does anybody, yes, you in front.
Is there a mechanical device that really turns girls on?
Well, I found a souped-up Ferrari can be very effective. Wait a minute. Please, people, I am Dr. Medicine, not Dr. Ruth. I am more of a genius than she is. Now, does anybody have a question about science or medicine? Yes, you.
Where do babies come from?
Ooh. Okay, fine. Where do babies come from? Okay, this is Dr. Medicine's championship theory of evolution. My theory is that every species keeps getting better and better because of preconception, natural selection. We are all the stuff of champions. You see, right before every one of us, even me, was conceived, there were millions and millions of little sperms all swimming around, and all of them going after the same egg. But only one sperm, just one, was faster, stronger, smarter, louder, and more of a genius than all of the rest. The sperm pushed and shoved, and they fought to the front of the pack. Some of the little sperms went the wrong way. They wandered off down the wrong side, along the wrong tunnels. Oh, but this was just part of the program. Anyway, but this sperm, my sperm, was smarter than they were, more of a genius. Naturally, he took the right tunnel in the right direction, and he went right to the big, wonderful egg that was waiting for him. And he got there first, because he was a genius, and they were not. You might say that he was the genius, ruthless super jock, and they were not. So that is how we all come to be born, and yes, that was a very intelligent and successful. Thank you. Now, are there any other questions? Yes, you.
I know there's a 69 position, but is there 68?
Of course, there is another school of thought that says the first fish to crawl up on the shores were screwed up who couldn't hack it in the water, and that mankind left the trees because he wasn't any good at being a monkey. Yes. Are there any more questions? Yes, you.
Are you married?
This is Dr. Medicine. That's all I have this week. Next week's topic will be idiots and ulcers. Is there a connection? Yes. Yes?
Are condoms reusable?
These non-geniuses. Yes, what?
He's cute.
No, I'm sick and tired of working with these non-geniuses. I've had it. I don't know why I continue to do this show.